Today I'll show you how to bring back your desktop icons in Windows 11 because by default, Windows 11 hides them all, and it can be confusing if your desktop looks completely empty. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Method 1. Right-click anywhere on an empty area of your desktop. A context menu will pop up. Hover over View, and you will see an option called Show Desktop Icons. Click it, and all your icons will instantly reappear. If you click it again, it hides them. So make sure there is a check mark next to it. Method 2, bringing back specific system icons if you are missing specific icons like this PC, network, or the recycle bin. The right-click method will not bring those back. Here is what you do. Right-click the desktop, then click Personalize, then go to Themes on the right side. Scroll down and click Desktop Icon Settings. A small window opens. You will see checkboxes for computer, which is this PC, recycle bin, user files, network, and control panel. Check whichever ones you want, hit apply, then OK, and they will show up on your desktop right away. Method 3. Restart Windows Explorer if you have done both methods and icons are still not showing. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time. Find Windows Explorer in the list, right-click it, and select Restart. Your taskbar will flicker for a second. That is completely normal. Check your desktop after that, and your icons should be back. And that is how you get your desktop icons back in Windows 11. One of these 3 methods will definitely fix it for you.